This machine alerts medics when a patient's blood pressure is at risk of falling dangerously low. It makes predictions by taking real-time measurements and comparing them with data from thousands of different patients.
Là, l'écran nous dit, on voit qu'il y a un chiffre élevé, il y a une autre probabilité d'hypotension, ça sonne, il nous dit, si on ne fait rien, la pression artérielle qu'il a est à la limite haute de ce qu'on pourrait accepter, va baisser et passer en dessous de ce qu'on souhaite.
Tools like these, which harness the power of artificial intelligence and big data sets, are revolutionizing modern medicine.
C'est un renforcement de l'action des soignants, ça ne les remplace pas. C'est simplement, elle augmente le champ de notre connaissance et notre capacité à anticiper des situations extrêmement compliquées.
The EU wants to use AI and big data to meet some of its major challenges, fighting the COVID-19 pandemic and implementing the European Green Deal. EU data governance legislation aims to create a single market where data can be shared freely and fairly. MEPs have pushed for tough rules on privacy and good practice to ensure the trust of citizens and businesses. The aim is to build a future where data helps mitigate traffic jams, satellites and sensors allow farmers to manage water, sunlight and crops, and where companies and public services are innovative, efficient and environmentally friendly.